integrating all of their products into a unique smart home solution. Our next guest empowers the future of smart, connected living. And we've talked about this company several times in the past. We've evaluated and reviewed a lot of their products. In fact, I think we've even given away to some lucky listeners some of their products. From EZVIZ, the commercial director, Alexandre Raguenet.
Yes.
Did I do that properly?
Perfect. Amazing.
My French background of many generations. I try to use it so you can say c'est bon. Yeah.
C'est bon.
Oh, very good.
Amazing.
Merci. So welcome into tomorrow. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you, Dave.
Good.
And you? How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. We're just doing so many interviews, and I wish the guys would leave the windows open for air. No, we need it. You asked them. Okay, very good. Sorry. We're doing so many back-to-back interviews, but you always have fun things to talk about and to show.
Many things to show.
Yes, and let's talk about, first of all, tell us about EasyViz and the kinds of things that you do regularly. I know I did a brief introduction, but a lot about smart home solutions, yeah?
Yeah, of course. So Easyvis is a world-famous brand for the camera. So we are a global brand. We are a leader in France. I'm talking mostly from France because I'm the sales director from France.
Yeah.
But we are launching a new technological product such as vacuum cleaner, also some doorbells, peepholes. I will show you during this meeting.
Good.
And you
now,
will see that.
we know EasyViz for a
Yeah.
lot of great cameras.
Yes.
And pan and tilt cameras and following activity and helping to secure. I wouldn't have thought that you'd have vacuum cleaners as well.
Yeah, of course, we can think that in the first, but why we launched this type of product is because we want to have a full range to help the people into their households, and you will find that the product I will show you today is the first we're going to introduce from the many others, and it will help people to take care about their family by the camera, but also with the mopping and also with the doorbell.
Gotcha.
So we want to provide a full solution for the people that integrates EasyViz.
So, for example, what makes the EasyViz vacuum cleaner different than other vacuum cleaners?
Easy. From the name.
Easy. Very good, very good.
So first, it's going to be a very easy product, and it's a 3-in-1 product, meaning that you can use it as a mop, you can use it as a vacuum, and you can use it also to dry the floor.
Oh.
So instead of taking so long time, with 3 type of different device, you just have one device that can do all with a very, very limited time. So more time to spend with your family and your friends, right?
Yes, absolutely. And more of the connected home and the smart home because it does many things. Is it available yet? I know you're showing it here at IFA.
Yeah, it will be available quite soon. I
Okay.
believe by the end of the year. Today we just want to show off our product and the many amazing new products that will come to the market.
Gotcha.
So this is
Do you have a recommended, suggested price yet for the EasyViz vacuum?
not yet,
Okay.
but as we usually do, it will be a very affordable, qualitative product on the market for sure.
Okay, so that's something we can look forward to. You also have, I mentioned earlier, the pan and tilt cameras.
Yeah.
And this one looks like it does just that. Does it follow motion? Is it made for outside, inside? What? Tell me.
This is an amazing product, to be honest. This product is a battery camera one. So it's one of the first to be a PT battery outdoor camera. So easily you can place it everywhere. No issue. We already have a version which is Wi-Fi. But this one is going to be a 4G version. So for people that have, let's say, not a good connection with their Wi-Fi, or they have, I don't know, sorry, the English name, but a remote house, second house, they can use this type of product without a Wi-Fi connection. It's also added security. Let's say the burglar cut down your connection, then the 4G can take over. So it's more security also for your family.
Very good. And you mentioned battery. So how long does it last? Because if it's a security camera,
sure.
you want it to last a while,
Sure,
right? Yeah.
Sure. No, the battery lifetime is very good. It's up to 8 months in terms of...
8 months?
Yeah, 8 months.
Whoa, okay. That's a lot more than I thought it would
Yeah,
be. So
it's
that's
a really
terrific.
low consumption technology we are using. And on top of that, you can find, Dave, from the bottom, you can find some plug, like a USB plug.
Okay, yeah.
We
yeah.
also have some solar panel. So you can add the solar panel to have unlimited
Then you don't have to
battery
worry.
lifetime. Exactly.
Unless you have, many months of no sun, which hopefully would not be
But
the
even
case.
though, in the north of France, because you mentioned before, many people said there is no sun, but you can have the unlimited battery lifetime.
Yes. Oh, that is. You guys thought of everything.
Everything.
I think that's terrific.
And again, we make it easy.
Yes, and it follows activity. I mean, does it sense
Yes.
motion and turns on its own and follows?
Exactly. It can follow the people, and it also have some AI technology. So let's say you have some birds, you have some dogs, cats, you don't want to get any notification, you won't receive it. You can
Good.
decide. But if you really like the pet or the dog,
Yeah.
you can also receive notification if you want.
Oh, okay. So you have that flexibility.
Exactly, from the app.
Because, for example, I have currently, well, we test a lot of different cameras, but I think one of them that I like, a pan, tilt, zoom camera, for example, from Reolink, a competitor, no doubt.
Okay.
But it's constantly telling me there's someone in your driveway, and I look, and it's just my American flag waving on the front of the house. There's no one in my driveway. Stop telling me that. So the fact that you have some flexibility, you can
Yeah.
say, show me people or pets and pets, whatever.
Exactly.
That's important, and that's where AI comes in, right?
Exactly. It's very useful to get some really good notification and the notification you want.
Sure. Now let's talk about doorbell camera. This is something new for EZVIZ, or the new camera, yeah?
Actually, it's not totally new. We have launched some products in the past, but now this is the totally, let's say, state of the art we currently have. And
Okay.
I would like to show this peephole. I can maybe help you, Dave.
Yes, please, because
Okay.
I'm reaching around not knowing where I'm trying to push the button to turn it on. Hey, oh, there you go. So you might have heard ding dong, ding dong. And of course, the other side is the camera. But you mentioned peephole. So this replaces your analog peephole?
Exactly. I don't know if we can show to the
Sure.
camera. Actually, this glass panel is imitating what's the
Yes.
door. Okay.
Oh, wait, let me angle it a little bit more so Chris can see that it is, in fact, replacing the peephole.
Exactly.
And then there's the camera. And of course, okay, now I can see where I was trying to find the button that I couldn't see.
Almost there.
So, yeah, almost there. So people, there you go, ding dong again. And that gets not only your attention, but on the other side, you have a screen immediately.
Yeah, of course, this is one thing, but the amazing thing is that it's a connected device. So even though you are not at home, it will ring on your phone, and you can also speak and see who is in front of the apartment door. So you can decide if it's a friend or not a friend,
Yeah.
and make some action to that.
And if it is a friend, you can say, I'm not home now. But if it's not a friend, don't volunteer that. The former police officer in me is telling you, don't
Exactly.
tell people that I'm not home, right?
Or you can even simulate that you are in the house itself,
Yes.
because it has a speaker and a mic. So you can say, I'm at home, for instance, and
Yeah.
people, they will believe you're also at home and won't make any interruption
True.
into your
Or,
house.
unfortunately, I'm busy at the moment. Please leave the package at the door. Or
Exactly.
something. And you may or may not be home, but don't volunteer that. you
Of
know.
course.
Don't tell them. And this is the DP2,
Actually,
the
we have-
wire-free smart peephole.
We have two versions.
Okay.
We have the DP2C and the DP2. The main difference between those two products is the waterproof. The DP2C is not waterproof. I have a street price this time to share with you.
Good.
Is €149.
Oh.
And the version with the waterproof is €169.
Okay, which interestingly enough, around this time is about the same in U.S. dollars. So $149, 169, I believe you said,
Yep.
dollars as well for the other. And you don't necessarily need waterproof if your front door is not exposed to
Exactly.
the weather. Yeah?
Exactly.
If it's a porch and it's covered, then you can save a few dollars and get the standard one.
Yeah.
Now, what about the Pro? I'm seeing a Pro here. Is this something different that does something different?
Yeah, exactly. So this product has been mainly designed for the apartment, but then we also designed a product that is mostly for the house.
Okay.
So this product is delivered with also a chime. You put the chime inside of your house, which is also a Wi-Fi repeater with the doorbell in front. And same as this one, you get the video stream on the application. You can also speak through the device.
Oh.
And some people, they might be afraid that you can take off this product, you know.
Yeah.
So we input an alarm, and if someone is trying to steal the device, it will also ring, and the neighbor, they will pay attention to what's happening.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's the first video doorbell that I think has an alarm built in. So again, you thought of everything. Are these both models available currently?
Yeah, both models are available on the market.
And the price on this one, the DB2?
This one is quite new, so I don't want to say anything that is wrong, so I prefer to communicate maybe later.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't tell. No worries. No worries. I'll bet we can find out more information at the website.
You can find on the website for sure.
The letters, EZVIZ, VIZ.com. And of course, we'll get you there too. Alexandre, merci beaucoup for joining us on the show.
Thanks a lot.
And continued good luck to you guys. You're making quality, affordable, smart home products that we like to talk about.
Yeah.
So let's continue to do that. You continue to make the products, including the vacuum now, the EZVIZ vacuum. Check it all out at EasyViz.com. Thanks for joining us here at IFA.
Thanks a lot, Dave. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. You see, the French comes back too, right? Yeah. And the last name, Gravelines.
Gravelines, yeah.
It sounds better than Graveline. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
You got to visit Gravelines, France, in the northern part of France. And into tomorrow, of course, with much more to come. You don't want to miss a minute of our several weeks worth of coverage. You never know, I'm doing so many interviews. I need a nap. From Berlin, Germany. Our 20th year covering IFA during our 27 years, bringing you the latest in consumer tech. Stay tuned. As I said, much more to come right here on the Advanced Media Network.